My name is Professor Dr. Somashikar. I am at the FMC Hospital in Suleimania. I am a Global Director and Professor of Surgical Oncology from Aster International Institute of Onco, Bangalore Group of Hospitals. I am very happy that we are at FMC Hospital in Suleimani, where we have launched very successful Hipec and PIPAC program in Iraq for first time. As you know, peritoneal cancers because of ovarian cancer, colorectal cancer, gastric cancer, appendix cancer, mesothelioma are very advanced. People thought there is no cure, but if we can do a surgery called cytoreductive surgery, peritonectomy and intraperitoneal hyperthermic chemo, these patients have a good ray of hope. But to do that, you need a trained group of surgeons, which is now available in the joint venture between the Aster Cancer Center and FMC. And there is a state-of-art HD Performer 3 Hipec machine ran from Italy available here. Now, yesterday, we did a very complex, advanced ovarian cancer with PCI of 16 spread. We did a 6-hour surgery, removed all the cancer, then put this HD Performer 3 Hipec machine available at FMC, and we did a Hipec for this patient. Patient is doing extremely well, and we have started this program today. Now, 2 cases of Hipec we are doing. So advanced peritoneal cancer, solution is in FMC with this advanced team of surgeons and Hipec machine. And please utilize the benefit of this. Give the best ray of hope for this advanced cancer patient. Thank you.